Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, and today again I was going to be starting with this background, just Minecraft related. And today we are going to um play some Roblox. Roblox. Um, sorry guys, I need log into my other account. Log in. It's easier, so. And why don't we place? Hmm. Why don't we play GameStop? Don't we? Yeah. So, if you guys don't know what this is, it is basically a tycoon or spawn you. But why am I going? I'm a noob. I'm a noob. There you go. Oh. So GameStop is basically you open a stop at a shop. This color, and then I want it to be pale blue, ink done, and then to be black on front. Done. Yeah, oh my god, that's actually matched together. It's for the roof. I don't like the roof. Too thin. So, yeah. I'm so glad I choose dark blue, because if I did, I would be matching those two. I do not want to. But he just started, so. You did not get it. Looks like he just started. Nope, never mind. But guys, down there, that down there, you can make your own houses. But let's finish this off, so we can go build our house. So, do go. And guys, I can only record up to 15 minutes, so don't worry about this. So, give me that 100. Oh. There we go, I'm down to 600. Let's go. So, I want everything to be even. 200. Oh, there we go. Use games. There we go. Now, Xbox game. There we go. That's ready. Guys, if I walk over here, I won't press it, so don't worry. So, I'm going to, if you guys don't know this game, I'm going to list this game down in the description box below, so go check this game out. It's really fun. You can make friends. a lot of games for free. And it's a free account. Oh crap! No, I don't want that. I want. There we go. 600. Nope. I'm trying to work on the founders thing a bit. So if I get 300, I'm going to do it. $800. So let's go. Do I have 800? And guys, if you do not know, you can actually get a call on this game. So, oh, finally he changed it to red. I have it light blue. Oh, he changed stuff. It's good. There is no red, but no one on this game likes to be matching colors with anybody. They think it's like copycatting. So, yee. Nope. Go to the even number. No, not that. Nope. 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 There we go. 500. I can buy this. There we go. I'm gonna get check on people. Spy on people. What's he up to? Where's this guy up to? Got that. Yeah. Nice dude. There we go. Yeah, my artist. Each. And some bands she have. Almost the same thing that I have, but without that. Without getting the thing. No one's here, so he's like working hard. So let's go back to the shop base. 700, let's go. Gets me 1,000, get to be you game, so I'm gonna like 900. Okay, I have nothing to buy for 900, so come on, get to 2,000. Come on. Oh, that. Never mind. Ba-boom. I got changing the wall. I need the floor black. I might change it to not black. I might change it to spark pink. No, never mind. Spark pink? Nope. Ugly green. Right, nope. Never mind. Yellow? Nope. That, nope. Right? Nope. And I can see it better. But if it's that, maybe blue, you can see it. That and that. New blue and black. Colors. Yeah. Don't judge me, guys. So. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm supposed to stop at 700. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Peace. But okay, I'm at 1,000. I just need 2,000 for this. I'm going to heal next. So, what I do on this channel is I will be playing a lot of games, and then when I get to a certain amount of subscribers, I will show a face video. If you guys want that, please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Goodbye.